Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a Honda Civic faster. Begin by focusing on safe, practical upgrades you can do yourself to gain acceleration and control. We'll walk through intake and exhaust changes, suspension improvements, and tuning choices that balance power with reliability. I will point out common pitfalls, suggest sensible order for upgrades, and emphasize maintenance and safety. Start with intake and exhaust upgrades to free up airflow and boost throttle response. Consider a high-flow air filter, catback exhaust, and a cold air intake for modest gains. If you want more, explore ECU tuning to adjust fuel and timing, and consider a turbo kit only after improving cooling and fueling systems. Pay attention to intake heat soak, use a quality oil, and follow a staged plan. Upgrading suspension and tires improves cornering and lets you use more power safely. Start with performance tires and proper alignment to maximize grip, then add adjustable coilovers or stiffer springs to tune handling. Don't forget sway bars and fresh bushings to reduce body roll, and check tire pressures regularly for consistent lap times or street stability. Also consider a strut tower brace and lightweight wheels to reduce unsprung mass and improve steering feel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.